The Maverick is going to apply some mathematics or some numbers to the debate about the decision to expand the local Premier League to 16 teams. Now, every Premier League team comprises 25 to 30 players. So 4 teams at 30 is 120 players. The wise men of the JFF are suggesting that Jamaica has 120 top quality footballers hidden away in some cave somewhere, not being able to play Premier League football because there are not enough Premier League clubs. So with this expansion, this 120 top quality players will be discovered. What error nonsense! It's either that or this expansion will mean a watering down of an already watered down Premier League. And we don't mention the other support staff, including coaches, assistants, physical trainers, etc. In total, we're talking about $30 to $40 million per club per season, times 4. That's an extra $150 million worth of indebtedness added to the other 12 struggling, pauperized clubs playing for a winning cash prize of $2.5 million. What are we doing? Listen, Jamaica does not have the infrastructure, the player pool, the disposable income, or the football culture needed to drive a viable 12-team league, much less a 16-team league. The Maverick fatigue. The arguments about the league have me fatigued. I can't take it no more, me fatigue.